I'm Brittany with WTI, and as soon as the temperatures start going down, I am out here to enjoy this Hillland fire pit. I really like the size of it. If you're having a bunch of people over, you don't have to worry about someone being in the corner freezing to death. You do not have to sit right and directly in front of the fire pit to feel the warmth. It is a very powerful, well-made, sturdy fire pit. We've had this for many years and it still looks great. I like how easy it is to light. You just connect a propane tank underneath. It has a knob that you can twist, light, and control the intensity of the heat. So I think this is such a high quality fire pit. It really makes such a big difference whether you are having people over or you just want to be out here on your own to enjoy the weather, to enjoy your beautiful backyard. It just makes you feel all nice and warm and cozy and homey. So I think it's a great addition to any backyard. I really love it. My whole family loves it. And I think your family will too. But that's my point of view.